Hello, the Green Medical Practice.
Yes, Miss Smith, the secretary speaking. I am listening to you.
May I speak to Dr. Bell, please?
I'm afraid not. Dr. Bell is absent for the day. Do you want him to call you back?
No, it's not necessary. I just need an appointment.
Is it urgent?
Yes, it is, because I need a new prescription for a syrup.
Is it a prescription to be renewed?
Yes, it is.
If you are too short of that syrup, take your former prescription and ask your chemist if it's possible to have it now. You'll put the situation in order as soon as you get your new prescription. Concerning your appointment, I can propose you on Wednesday afternoon at 2 o'clock or on Monday morning at 10.
I can't on Wednesday. It's easier for me at Monday, but I would prefer at 10:30 if it's possible.
Yes, it is. Can you remind me of your name, please?
Yes, I am Mr. Finnegan Fry. F-R-Y-E. Do you need...
And your phone number?
It's 020837400707. Do you need my address also?
Yes, please.
It's 96 Amfreville Road, Haringey, London.
Well, Mr. Fry, it's done. Monday, 10:30.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you. Goodbye, Mr. Fry.